Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have reviewed a list of the best kayak sails and kits out here. Let's get started with the videos. Number 5. Hobie Kayak Sail Kit. The Hobie Kayak Sail Kit is designed specifically for the Mirage and Pro Angular range of Hobie kayaks, including tandems, as these kayaks will often have the designated mounting point in which to install the mast. However, it does not work with inflatable yaks. The pedal drive fins on the Mirage kayaks can also help to create stability and resistance in the water while you're sailing. The Kayak Sail Kit has a two-piece mast, but without a boom, and it can be folded up with not in use, using the furling hook. The direction of the sail can be controlled with one hand, while you steer with the other. Number 4. WindPaddle 47 Adventure Sail. This WindPaddle adventure sail is designed for larger kayaks and canoes, ranging from around 14 to 18 feet in length, so could be ideal for many touring kayaks as well as canoes. It is designed for wind speeds of between 5 and 30 knots, but may be better suited to downwind sailing. The circle-shaped sail features a window in the center for added visibility in front of you. It can be used by beginners and more experienced kayakers as well as canoeists, but it's aimed more towards experienced sea kayakers. Number 3. Advanced Elements Rapid Upsail. This Advanced Elements Rapid Upsail is a circle-shaped sail with a V-shaped element that can be ideal for a range of kayaks as well as canoes. Its oval shape gives it a V-shape effect when deployed. Because of its shape, it's designed to work better with the narrow shape of kayak decks and could be useful on inflatable yaks as well as hard-shell vessels. It features a clear window in the center and two smaller window sections on each side to give you better visibility. The sail is designed to be used when paddling downwind so that the wind can push against it and give you a helping hand and a faster speed. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best kayak sails and kits or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 2. Harmony Upwind Kayak Sail and Canoe Sail Kit. The Harmony Upwind Kayak and Canoe Sail Kit is designed for both kayaks and canoes. With a sail area of 40 square feet, this sail should be ideal for larger kayaks and canoes, as it should be able to capture more of the wind's power compared to a smaller sail. It's an L-shaped sail, similar to the sails you might see on traditional sailboats or sailing yachts. This means it has a boom to allow you to control the position of the sail, which could come in handy if you're sailing upwind. Its telescoping mast means it can be folded down for easier storage or transportation. Number 1. WindPaddle Scout Sail. The WindPaddle Scout Sail is a round-shaped sail that's designed for use in winds of between 4 and 18 knots. It's aimed at beginners, being easy to use and can be controlled with one steering line, so you can also easily hold onto your paddle. The circle design of this sail means it can be good for heading downwind, as it should pull you along quite quickly if your vessel is between 8 and 15 feet long. The sail features a handy window in the center, so you can see where you're going when you're on the water. It mounts directly to the bow of your vessel and has mounting clips that can attach to bungees, handles, D-rings and lots of other points on your boat. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our video. Please like this and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. For more information about this video and products, please follow the links below in the video description.